Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download apps without Apple ID password. First, let's go into App Store. If I should go into my App Store and, for example, try to download this app right here, you will see where it's asking for my password. Now, to download an app without entering your password or it requiring your password, you'll need to go into Settings. Then you're going to tap on your phone name right here, Apple ID, and you're going to select Media and Purchases. Then you're going to select Password Settings, and you'll see Require Password. You'll simply want to toggle that off. Then you're going to tap on Done in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Now you'll be able to download apps without it requiring your Apple ID password. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.